Hey guys, okay, so it's actually been a couple days after I filmed. Actually, no, it's been a while since I filmed that video of me doing my hair, so this is like maybe like 2 weeks later. But yeah, so I only filmed one braid for you guys because I'm about to count how many braids I actually did because it's a lot. So I know I filmed a video of me doing braids like this before. The only difference this time is, of course, they're over my micro locks. That's what we're gonna call them. They're micro locks to me now. They're micro locks. They're over those, and the coloring is a little different. They're blonder this time because last time I did these braids I used black, but this time I just used the brown and the blonde. So there's that. They're smaller. I feel like I did more this time. These took me about 2 full days and a little, now I would say about 3 days. I would say set aside 3 days, or within those 1 or 2 days, this is literally all you're doing, because I was doing other stuff. So like, it's not like an exact time frame, but this took me about 3 days to do. And I'm also gonna show you guys how I do my edges and just how I keep them looking fresh, because now it's probably been about 2 weeks since I've had them. And this is what they're looking like. Let's give you the full view. They do get a little bit tangly, but I'm also going to show you how to fix that, and so they don't get all matted. I don't know. I should measure how long they are for you guys too. I feel like you guys would want to see that. But right now I'm going to show you how I do my edges. So I'm just pulling them out for you guys. And I'm gonna use my straightener. I just got this from the hair store. It's called Hot Tools. It works pretty well, but it's not like one of those like high-end ones. It's just a normal regular flat iron. And so while this is warming up, I just want to know, like, what type of videos are you guys looking forward to me filming? Because I've been trying to like film, like, I don't know, like more personable videos or whatever, but I don't know if you guys just specifically just want hair, or if you want to know more about me or me doing other videos. I want to venture off to do more videos, but like, if that's not what y'all want to see, then I don't know. So like, just let me know what y'all want to see me do. I am gonna have these in for a while though, so if there are any like other hair tutorial videos, it might not be for a while. But if you have any other video suggestions or anything you want to see, just let me know, because I really want this channel to like continue to grow, and I want you guys to really like the content and like engage with it. So just let me know what you guys think works and what doesn't work. Hopefully this video does good with views, so then like enough people can see it, and then I'll really get an accurate review of what you guys want if enough people comment or whatever. So I think this is hot enough, and let me tell y'all, I have been relaxing and straightening my edges and all this other stuff. I recorded a video of me doing that, and I've been trying to work to edit it, but I filmed it on my phone, and my phone storage is like, it keeps saving stuff to iCloud, but then it's not really downloaded on my phone, and then it takes forever for it to download on my phone, and it's just a bunch. But I'm just been doing it up with my edges. It's just a lot. So all I'm doing is taking the straightener like that and curling it like that. And I have it on 380, which is probably really high, but it's cool. This would be easier with a smaller one, but this is all I have, and that's what we're working with. And then we're gonna curl this one the same way we did the other one. Okay. And then that's it. That's it with the straight one. So turn it off, let it cool down. And then I have this, and I'm just gonna do my edges. I'm probably gonna speed this up because I don't want this video to be too long. So you'll just see what I do. Okay, and then I have this wild hair growth oil. There's probably like this much actual wild hair growth oil, and then I filled it up the rest with just olive oil. And I'm just going to quickly oil my scalp. Okay, and then of course when I first did this I already put the mousse in, but just to keep my hair looking still fresh, I do this every couple of days. And you want to mostly focus on your ends. Oh yeah, guys, also I got my belly button pierced. It was an experience. It actually really hurt. It really hurt. And it still hurt a couple days after I did it. But it's healing now. I can't wait to start wearing a lot. But yeah, focus on the ends. That's how you keep your ends looking fresh. And then also the good thing about doing these over locks is the next part I'm going to show you, because you know when your ends, and I mean not your ends, when your roots start getting loose, and people usually they like twist their roots, and you're like, oh no, your hair is gonna lock up and you don't want that to happen. We already got locks, so us locking our hair is not a problem. So like none of my hair was like that bad right now, but I don't know if you can see. But what you can do is you can just take a little like lock gel and you put it on, and then you can just twist it. But don't twist it too much, because we don't want to like whip out your scalp. And you will only do this if your hair is much looser than this. Like if there's like this much or something, and you twist it so it's just not too much straightening on your roots, and then your hair is actually falling out. But I haven't reached that point yet. But that's just how you can keep your locks, I mean your style, refreshed and not have to worry about like, you know, your hair locking up, because your hair is already locked and you want it to lock up. So that's just another advantage of doing it over your locks. But also another way to keep your hair, because this mousse, it smells okay, like it doesn't smell bad. But another way that I keep my hair smelling like good and not just like hair is I take this Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream, Coconut Shea. The light on this thing is way too bright. You can never see anything. But this is what it looks like. I just take a little bit of that and I just put it on my hair just so that it smells good. This is a great tip, I think. Because like you can spray your hair with perfume, but like after a while it's gonna go away. But this will stay and last longer. And you get to smell like coconuts. But yeah, that's basically how I keep my locks looking fresh, smelling fresh, just looking good. Okay, but now I'm gonna count how many locks there actually are. I'm pretty sure I said locks this whole time. I meant to say braids. I counted 186 locks that I have. But I did double up some of the locks, like I two-strand and twist some of the locks, so there might be less braids. So I have 146 braids, and the length, we're gonna check the length too. And the length is these are 43 inches long. I have 146 braids and they are heavy. I don't really style them up that much. You can do a bun because it's on the top of your head, but ponytails and stuff are pretty heavy. And when I go to sleep at night, I use this, and I'm gonna put it on real quick, trying not to mess up my edges. But you just stuff your hair in there, and it's like this. So all your hair is in here, and I love that because my hair can feel kind of scratchy to me when I'm sleeping, and having all of it in here is just perfect, and it does not slip off at all. So that's good. I just got it from my beauty supply store, so nothing too crazy about that. But yeah, that's basically what these look like. Nothing really else for me to say, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to continue to comment, like, and subscribe, and of course let me know any videos or content that you guys really like, and I'll try to produce that more. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys.